Friend, one problem, important problem from the p block element that is asked by my students. So what the problem is, they are saying the formula of hydride of nitrogen that is acidic in nature. Okay, which one hydride is acidic in nature, that we have to answer. Okay, so dear friend, what are the acids? Okay, firstly you try to understand acids. Okay, acids that can accept the electron, that can accept the lone pair electron. These are called, that is what, Lewis acid. Okay, that can accept the lone pair electron. There here I lone pair I am mentioning here, friend, LP. Okay, that can accept the lone pair electron. Which can accept the lone pair electron? Okay, or that is which can that have positive charge, of any things which is having positive charge, that will accept the lone pair electron, and that can accept a lone pair electron. That is what will happen. Acid means that have positive charge. Now another things we derive for greater the positive charge, what will be there, student? Is stronger the acid, is stronger the acid, okay, or lesser the positive charge, or what we can write, lesser the positive charge, weaker the acid, okay, weaker the acid. Also vice versa you can also derive, that is lesser the negative. Okay, now try to understand with the example. Okay, whatever they are given. If you talk about the ammonia, friend, here is, okay, one more rules I want to derive here. Okay, what rules I want to derive? Lesser the positive charge, weaker. In the terms of negative, lesser the negative charge, lesser the negative, okay, higher the acidic, higher the acidic. Okay, one more things what we can do, lesser the negative charge, higher is the acidic strength, and more the negative charge, that is all things are same actually, student. Greater the positive charge, more is the stronger acid. Lesser the positive charge, weaker is acidic. Lesser the positive charge, either you can say less the negative value, that is higher the acidic. And if you talk about this one more word, student, that is what is the more negative is there. So more negative means what, student? More negative, if you talk about more negative, so what will there? More negative means what would be there, student? If you talk about the more negative, so that is least acidic, either you say, or that is most basic, okay. Now you check with the options, you go with the option. There's not too much tough, student, you check with the options. Okay, so I'm erasing some part of this explanation, then I'm going to explain this to you. Okay, so what explanation can we give? Let us take with the option number 1. So if you talk about option 1, student, you are taking option 1. So option 1 means ammonia is there, NH3, and here is what is, this is positive charge. So here is what I am, ammonia, let us consider oxidation state of oxygen on ammonia, nitrogen is X, plus 3 hydrogen, each hydrogen is plus 1 equal to 0. So X plus 3 equal to 0. So X is equal to minus 3. Okay, so more negative. Okay, next one. If you talk about HN3, so here we consider for nitrogen X, 3 nitrogen 3, X plus 1 hydrogen plus X is equal to 0. So 3X is equal to, this will go that side, minus 1. So X is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is negative charge but least negative. If you talk about option C, student, what is N2H4 is there. So what is, you can consider this is 2X plus 4 is equal to 0. So X is equal to minus 4 by 2. So how much? Minus 2. And if you talk about the D number option, this is what, NH2OH. Okay, so N is what, student? This is X plus 2 minus 2 plus 1. So how much will come, student? Equal to 0. So that is x is equal to this cancel, x is equal to -1. What they are saying is, student, rule is saying, what rule is, more the positive charge, stronger is the acid. In the terms, what is the lesser, more the positive charge, stronger the acid. So least negative, smaller the negative charge. If you talk about in the smaller the negative charge, okay, smaller the negative charge, okay, nitrogen, that is acidic. Smaller the negative charge, higher is the acidic, okay, higher is the acidic, and lower basic, okay. That is, I am deriving the same things, because they all are the negative charge, okay. So deriving greater the negative, if the greater negative, if that is greater negative is stronger base, greater negative is stronger base. Dear friend, you see which number option is having the smaller value of the negative charge. This one -3, wrong. This one -2, wrong, -2. So smaller negative, this is -1/3. So option number B is the correct option. Now let us move for the another question, students. Hello friend, now one more problem from the P block only. The PP bond energy is x kilojoule per mole, okay. They are saying, we are going to solve, that is what they are, PP, okay. I am writing 1 PP bond, okay, bond enthalpy. You can write bond dissociation energy, how much they are saying, student, is saying that is x kilojoule per mole, okay. What they are saying, then the energy needed to dissociate 124 gram of white phosphorus, okay. What is 124 gram, that we have to understand, student. So white phosphorus, okay, white phosphorus is equal to how much? White phosphorus, when you talk about, student, this is represented by P4, okay, P4. So P4 is there, white phosphorus. Number of mole, if you are calculating number of moles of white phosphorus, P4. So what is will come, student? Given mass upon molar mass, given mass they have given how much, student? 124. A molar mass, how much? 4 into 31. So 124 upon 124, how much coming, student? 1 mole. Again, how much coming? 1 mole. This is also coming 1 mole. So that is, when you are talking about the 1 mole of phosphorus is there, and per mole they are asking x kilojoule. So that is 1 mole PP bond is having how much? X. So that is 1 mole of white phosphorus they are asking. अब you see, student, white phosphorus structure. So white phosphorus is like this structure is there, student. If you try to understand white phosphorus, P, here is P, this side P, this side P. So you can do the diagrammatic representation like this. So this is the white phosphorus. This structure is not too clear to make the things easy. How many bond, if you see, student, this is not clear. Actually, if you want to count, how much will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Or this one, if you want to write this as, here is P, student. Here is again P. This is P. This is P. Original structure, tetrahedral structure is like this. Okay. So total bond, if you see, student, how many bond will be there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wait. This is not possible. 4 phosphorus, na? 4 phosphorus. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 phosphorus. The total bond you see, student, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Total PP single bond is there, 6 bond. They are asking for white phosphorus, the bond dissociation energy for 1 mole. 1 mole per atom we are talking about. So 1 PP bond is equal to x mole, x kilojoule per mole. So that is 6. Okay. Then when you are asking, when you are going 6 PP bond how much will come student? X into 6 into x kilojoule per mole. So 6x will come student. 6x is your option number C. This is the very easy problem. You try to understand student with the help of structure. For PP single bond is there x mole. So total number bond is the white phosphorus is 6 bond. So 6 into x, that is 6s. This is oral question student. No need to go more details. Hello friend. Now the next problem is problem number 34 from the P block. It's important problem. And that already I taught during the lectures. Let us see. In the solid state, PCl5 exists as a ionic solid, that is x plus and y minus, the shape of x plus and y minus respectively. So this is very simple problem, dear student. PCl5 is there. What they are saying, when it is the solid, so it is exists in the form of ion. They are saying x plus and y minus. They are saying it is existing in the form of x plus and y minus. Dear friend, you take that is 2PCl5. 2PCl5. So what will it will give PCl4. This will be the positive charge, and PCl6. This is the negative charge. Dear friend, they are asking what is the shape of this x plus and y minus. This is this is very simple problem. If you go, that is PCl4. I am taking this is PCl4. So that is hybridization equal to what, student? 1 by 2 in bracket B plus M minus C plus A. Okay. Dear student, that is 1 by 2 and valence electron of the central atom. What is the central atom? Phosphorus is our central atom. So how many valence electron is there with the phosphorus? That is 5 valence electron. And when you are talking about M is monovalent, single bonded, how many atoms are there? Phosphorus and chlorine are single bonded, so that is 4. Okay. Now cation minus is there, cation plus anion. So positive charge is there, so you write that is plus 1. Okay. So what it will take? It will take the along the side we will write plus 1. Okay. Now square bracket close. You simplified this out, student. So that is hybridization is equal to how much is coming? 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 and here is 5, 4, 9. Okay. So in square bracket 9 minus minus into plus minus, that is 1. So how much is coming, student? 1 by 2 into 8. 1 by 2 into 8, how much is coming, student? 4. 4 means what, student? 1 s orbital will be there, and p how many? 3. So 1 s and 3p, total 4 orbital. So that is sp3 is what, student? This is the tetrahedral. This is the tetrahedral. Okay. So again I am explaining this, student. That is hybridization short formula is there, 1 by 2 v plus m minus c plus a. V, that is we are talking valence, v for valence electron, m for monovalent atoms, c is cation, a is anion. So number of valence electron when the phosphorus is 5. Number of monovalent, how many? Chlorine? 4. So 5, 4, 9 minus here is positive charge is 1. Along the side plus 1. So how much coming? 5, 4, 9 minus 1. That is 8 by 2, 4. 4 means sp3. sp3 is tetrahedral. So 1 we got, that is PCl4 is tetrahedral. Okay. So here we are writing also together. I am writing that is when you are going PCl4, friend. PCl4. So PCl4 we got how? What is this structure, student? This is tetrahedral. This is tetrahedral. Okay. Now let us move for the another. Another what is there, student? This is PCl6 minus. Okay. So here is PCl6. This is the minus. Okay. So if you talk about the hybridization of phosphorus, student, so how much will come? 1 by 2. And what is the formula, student? 1 by 2 v plus m minus c plus a. Okay. So here is 1 by 2 number of valence electron. Number of valence electron is 5. Okay. Plus monovalent atom is 6 minus. And number of cation and anion, when you talk about with the charge, cation is, student, 0, anion is 1. So how much it will, student? Minus 1. Square bracket close. So 1 by 2 in bracket 5, 6. How much? 11. Minus into minus plus 1. So how much is coming, student? 1 by 2 into the, it is coming 12. How much will come, student? This will come 6. Okay. Dear student, when you are talking about 6 is coming, 6. So what will be the hybridization? So if you take, because phosphorus is having vacant d orbital, so s1p3, so total 4 is over, but here we require 6. So d how much, student? sp3 d2. So 1 sp3, that is 4, d2 that is 6, and sp3d2 student, that is what is the shape, student? That is octahedral. sp3d2 means, student, what is shape? Octahedral. So PCl6 is what, student? This is the octahedral. Okay, octahedral. I hope this is the very easy problem. So which one is the correct option? Tetrahedral and octahedral. Option number B. Tetrahedral and octahedral. This is option number B is correct answer. Thank you, students. Hello friend, now question number 35. That is also very important problem. That is PCl5 react with Cl minus charge. It is giving PCl6. The wrong statement is, okay, the wrong statement that you have to keep in mind, student. Generally here is the what they are asking, wrong statement. So 4 statement they have given and they are asking which one is wrong. So option number 1, you check from the option number 1. So if you are talking option number, a hybridization of P changes from sp3 to sp3d to sp3d2. So PCl5 is there, and what is there, student? PCl6 minus. Okay, so hybridization you take, student, 1 by 2, and what is that? Is B plus M minus C plus A. Okay, so here is what is coming, a 1 by 2, number of valence electron of phosphorus 5, monovalent atom, this is the 5, cation and anion, that is 0 cation 0 anion. So how much coming, student? 1 by 2 into 5 plus 5, 10. So 2 5 ja 10. So it is coming 5. 5 means what will come, student? 5 means what? What is meaning of 5 if you talk about? So 1 sp3. So sp3, 3p orbital and 1 aspirate. So 4 orbital and d, that is 5. sp3d. That is, this is the correct. If we talk about this, student, so hybridization you calculate. So hybridization is what, student? 1 by 2 in bracket B plus M minus C plus A. So 1 by 2 is equal to number of valence electron of phosphorus 5 plus M is how much? Monovalent atom. So how much chlorine is there? 6 minus. And anion is how much, student? Cation is 0, anion is minus 1. Okay, along the side we have to write, student. So 1 by 2, 5 plus 6, how much will come, student? 5 plus 6, how much will come? 11, and minus into minus, that is plus 1. So that is 1 by 2 into 12. How much is coming, student? 6. Up 6 is coming, student. You see that is sp3. Okay, sp3, and that is 4 d2. So total orbital 1 sp3, that is 4, and d2, that is 6. So here is, up now you see, this is first option is correct. Oxidation number of phosphorus change from, okay, plus 5. Covalency of, okay, here is PCl5. Okay, so that is, this option is correct. So they are asking the wrong statement. This is correct statement. Now check the option number B. So if you are going to check the option number B, student, what the option is? Oxidation number of phosphorus changes from plus 5 to plus 6. A PCl5 you say, PCl5, PCl6 minus. So how, what is there, student? Here is the X plus 5 in bracket minus 1 equal to 0. So X minus 5 equal to 0. So X is equal to how much is coming, student? Plus 5. So this is okay, plus 5, okay. Here you see PCl5, what is there? PCl6 negative charge. PCl6 negative charge. And when you are going to calculate the oxidation number, student, how to calculate? This is the X plus 6 minus 1 equal to, here is negative charge, negative 1 is there, so negative 1. So X minus 6 is equal to minus 1. So X is equal to minus 1 plus 6, minus 1 plus 6. So X is equal to how much is coming? Plus 5. So what is plus 5? Plus 5 same is there. So the wrong statement is option number B. Okay. If you talk covalency of phosphorus change for 5 to 6, NaCl 5 bond, 6 bond, that is correct. Here PCl5 is Lewis acid. Why? Because of presence of vacant d orbital. This is Lewis acid. There is no doubt about it. So that is 35 number. The wrong statement is oxidation number of phosphorus change for plus 5 to plus 6 is wrong. Hello friend, one more problem, that is problem number 11. This is also quite better a problem. Which of the following is least stable, dear student? You see that is which of the following is least stable. Okay, that is a least stable. You know how to do. Let us draw with the structure. You check with the option number 1, option way. If you talk about the ammonia, here is the one lone pair electron, and 3 is the, here is the hydrogen. If you talk about the option B, you see the option B. So what option B is there, student? If you talk about the option B, the structure of option B is what? One hydrogen is there and 3 nitrogen. So what is that? Is N, double bond N, double bond N. Here is hydrogen. Lone pair electron will be always there because 4 bond. So here is positive charge. Here is lone pair electron will be there. This is the negative charge will be there because out of 5 electron, how many electron use? 1, 2, 4. So here will be negative charge. Okay. Up now, here will be the, here if you talk about the nitrogen, the ammonia, because of nitrogen is electronegative, so hydrogen bonding. Okay. Here is hydrogen bonding will be there, student, in ammonia. Hydrogen bonding, so it is stable. Okay, this is stable. Here is what is positive negative charge is there, so this is resonance. Okay, resonance will be there. Resonance is there means also is stable. Okay, now this 2 option is ruled out. Okay, least stable they are asking, so this can't be 2 or can't be least stable. Okay, now option number C. If you are talk about option C, so if you see that is NH2 is there and single bond here is also NH2. Along with this lone pair electron is there. Okay, and here if you talk about option D, so option D, here see student, N is there, 2 nitrogen, double bond is there, here is hydrogen and here is hydrogen. You see in these 2 options what you are finding. If you check out, so here is single bond is there and single bond, and here is double bond. So which one will be the closer? The double bond is a smaller bond. If you talk about these 2 will be the very close. So nitrogen will be close. Okay, the nitrogen and nitrogen in double bond both will be very close. Okay, both will be very close. Both are very close, student. So more repulsion, more LP repulsion, because lone pair more close. Double bond is there, so more close. So more LP repulsion. More LP repulsion, that is what will happen, student. This will be the least stable. Okay, this will be least stable. Understood? Here is what is single bond is there. Here is the also there is the repulsion is there. Less repulsion, less LP repulsion, less LP repulsion than double bond. Double bond. Dear student, more repulsion, less stable. More repulsion, less. So your correct option will be D. So this was quite easy. And if you are talking about this is the least stable, and this is compared to this, it is quite stable. And this here is the hydrogen bonding is there, so it will form the giant molecule. So it will be the very stable. Because of resonance, it is also stable. So this is all about the important question from B block students.